Bismillah. Welcome to sixth chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn about system management, which includes extension installation and management, redirects, information, updates, and user permission. Now, I will break this chapter into 5 small lessons. Okay, the last sub lesson under the chapter 6 is the extension installation and management. Extension can be component, library, language, plugin, module, or package of all these. So under the manage, there is extension link. When we go to the extension screen, this screen will show all the installed extension on your website. So on the top bar, there are a few buttons. There are which are disabled because we did not selected any extension. If we select it, it will be enable. It is saying to enable or disable the extension. And if it has any cache, refresh it, or we can uninstall the extension, which will uninstall all the extension with all the files and setting in the Joomla, and their files and database will be deleted, or we can reinstall that extension. Okay, other things are the searching, filtering, sorting, and pagination. Let me show you how to install a new extension. I have just downloaded the extension for the Joomla 4. I will go to the install extension. When I click on install extension, there will be 4 tabs here. Update package file, which will be in the form of zip, or you can install from folder. You can unzip to any folder, then use that path to allow the Joomla to check and install automatically. It will check for the XML, which is manifest installation file of Joomla extensions. You can install from URL remotely, or you can install from web. Just like WordPress has upload extension function in it. You can search for a extension directly, but be sure if there are paid extension, you still have to buy those, or if there are extension which needs registration, you still have to register on the website. So I am going to upload the package, browse for the file, and I will double click on it. It will automatically start installing. Okay, right now it is installing. Okay, it just completed the installation and gave the message that this extension being installed. Now this is depending on the extension type. If it is module, it will come under the system, or plugin, it will come in under the system. Of it is language, it will come under the system. If it is component, it will come under the component. This is component, and this just inserted a new menu database under the component. So you can go to this component, click on the control panel. This is a slider, this is an image slider component, very good free and paid extension, you can use it. Now what if I want to uninstall this extension? I will go to the system, then I will locate the manage installation, and for installing the extension, you can go directly from this install extension. You can also install the language. I previously have shown you how to install language. Under the extension management, I will use the sorting ID descending, so I can see the last entry being installed. It has installed the DJ image slider package, and it has installed module also, a component, component, a module and package. It has installed 3 things in our system. If I click on it and press the uninstall button, it will ask me if you want to uninstall it. Yes, okay. You see how easily, if it gave some error, don't worry, and it has been removed from the data your extension in listing, then no problem. This is just a warning, not a critical error. It has uninstalled the package successfully. Under the component there is no entry, you see it. So that was all chapter 6, in which you learned about the redirects, information and update system and user permissions, and in the last, extension installation and management. Up to now I will also ask you to make a good practice by following my lessons. See you in the next lesson.